मैं बीपीएससी की तरह नहीं हूँ ना, मैं तो रजालम हूँ। चले लिखे रेडी, पहले बता दूंगा डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स तो आपने सारे लिख लेने हैं। चले लिखे रेडी। द वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम्स ग्लोबल रिस्क्स रिपोर्ट 2023 takes a grim view of what lies ahead in our collective future, and for a good reason, full stop. With a cost of living crisis, natural disasters, failure to mitigate climate change, geo-economic confrontations, and a general breakdown of social structures, ranking as the top 5 global risks over the next 2 years, there is much to worry about, full stop. The Swiss NGO has also identified a laundry list of Pakistan's woes, a debt crisis, sustained and slash or rapid inflation, state collapse, and a heightened risk of default, full stop. It warns that the affordability and availability of basic necessities can stoke social and political instability, which could spiral into much larger stability issues for a country, full stop. With the country out of foreign exchange with which to fund imports, and food stocks depleted or at risk of being depleted due to the widespread destruction of crops and farmland in the 2022 deluge, food prices have recently begun driving the latest round of crippling inflation, full stop. If they remain unchecked, they will unleash social upheaval on a scale unseen in recent history, full stop. None of the major risks to Pakistan identified in the WEF report can be addressed without some sort of natural consensus on how we must move forward, full stop. Unfortunately, our political parties remain unwilling to work with each other or even to work out an arrangement under which they can coexist while keeping open hostilities to a minimum, full stop. As a result, the public appetite for a politics of compromise has fallen, and the citizenry has grown increasingly keen on confrontation, full stop. This is a dangerous path to set the country on, full stop. Whether held early or on time, general elections alone are not the answer, full stop. Our politicians will need each other beyond them as well, full stop. They must see reason and lay down some ground rules, semicolon, that is, unless they would rather shove the country into an inferno than compromise on their individual interests, full stop.